So here traders, welcome back to Royals Capital. Today we are going to make a quick breakdown on XAUUSD, as well known as gold, from the daily time frame up to the 1 hour time frame. So if you remember yesterday price, we were expecting a bearish movement downwards, expecting the price to go down, but then price actually rejected a key support on the weekly. Price rejected a key support on the weekly, and we have a new narrative. So if you are thinking of trading gold in the New York session, advise you watch this video. So let's jump right into the charts. So now here we are on the gold, you know, XAUUSD, and yesterday, which was this candle here, we have this bearish movement, and what we'll be expecting, we're expecting price to come back down to these two levels right here for us to sell. Yeah, for us to sell. I said I wanted these highs to be taken out, which yes, it was taken out. It hit our 4 hour level and then it started coming back down, if you remember clearly. But then this instant rejection that we saw on the daily actually kind of changes the narrative and the way the stop loss, the high I wanted to see to be taken out. Actually, can you see, we formed two equal highs. I wasn't active. I would have taken this shot right here, maybe from here down to this place. I would have taken this shot and would have locked my trade and take some position off at this level, at this stage where the price at, because I think the price mitigated or came to our level exactly around the Asian session. That's around 7 p.m. New York time, something like that. So we have two relative equal highs here. And let's going back to the daily. What are we seeing on the daily? What are we seeing? Yes, we are in this price range right here, but we haven't hit equilibrium yet. We haven't hit equilibrium. Sorry, we just touch it. So most time if we touch equilibrium points like that, price normally used to come back up. Are you guys following me? But that's not our target for now. Our target is, I'm actually seeing, are you seeing these two equal highs here? This levels here is not coincidental. Just like I've always said, they left it intentionally, and they'll make people feel, yeah, this level holds, and then we are selling. Yeah, is this a fair share of movement? Actually, it's a fair share of movement, but then price will eventually come back and blow the high out, even if it is going to go back down. Why? They are trying to generate liquidity as usual. We can't have a significant fall in price if liquidity is not taken out. So what are we going to do? So now this movement we know is going to reverse. Now we need a reasonable level that will indicate that reversal. So let me remove all these lines. It's making the charts a little bit confusing. So let's go back to the daily and let's analyze again. This level has been broken, so let me take this out. All right, this let me take this out. So now what are we seeing on the daily? Price rejected this level right here and went back up on the daily, right? We thought we started a bearish storyline here. where price rejected this resistance and start falling back down, and then we're expecting price to come back down as here, but then we have a rejection off of here. So we'll go one time frame lower. Do we have a break of structure? No, we don't have a break of structure yet. We only have equal highs. Can you see? No break of structure. We only have equal highs. Does that mean we would want to be selling? No. So if you remember on ICT, there is one thing ICT always used to say. He said when you find yourself on the daily chart, the first thing you should check is where are your liquidity? Where is your liquidity? Is it the identify the buy side liquidity and also identify the sell side liquidity? So now this low here, their liquidity resting below it, and it was taken out yesterday. I can show it to you. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Can you see the low? This is the low here. There are liquidity below it, and it was taken out yesterday. Immediately it's got taken out, price reversed and went back up. But then did we take any buy side liquidity? No, we only made equal highs. So all these movements here is not going to be valid. We can't expect price to continue falling back down until this liquidity has been taken out. Are you guys following me? So now, instead of to keep shorting, we actually need to buy to that level here. Since price is coming back down, I feel like this is an opportunity for us to get into the market. So what do? We need to start marking out levels where we would want to buy from. So now we're on the daily, right? The only level we can see is this support right here. I'll mark it as daily. What other level? We don't have any other level again on the daily time frame. So we'll go down to the 4 hour. Zoom out a little bit. So now, would I want to, enter here? Price has clearly on the 4 hour. Can you see that price has kind of broken this level? And it's clearly is looking like price is also going to break this level. And let's check our fib. Yeah, it's below equilibrium, but directly below equilibrium. So I would on the 4 hour I would want to refine this daily to this level here. That's what I'm trying to, explain to you. This level is not very reliable because it's have a fair value gap here and price might want to fill it out completely. So I will like to mark out this 4 hour can do this 4 hour level here, sorry. And I'll take this daily out. Are you guys following me? So I want to enter the market at this level and I'm buying it right up to this level right here. So what do I need to do next? Let me go down to the 1 hour one more time to see if I can refine this level. Yeah, on the 1 hour it can be refined to here. That's like how many pips? That's 3 pips. That's 3 pips. Can price come back down there? It can. It cannot. So let's keep it like that. Are you guys seeing everything? All right, that's nice. And what else again? What else have you seen? Can you see that this 1 hour candle coincide with this bullish order block? Can you see? All right. So what else? We need trend line for confluences. We need trend line for our confluences. since we are trading the New York session, we are going to, okay, the trend line for confluences. We have our first trend line coming. Let me use this one instead. It's more suitable. And we also have the break and retest trend line right here. Right. Yeah, perfect. Coming. Is that correct? I'm coming. I think I drew it wrong. Yeah, I think this is not the right one. It should be this right here. Yeah, this one. It should be this. Can you see? Yeah, it should be this. So let's check. On the 4 hour, let's go down to the 1 hour. Can you see this is 9 o'clock New York time? And it's right inside this 4 hour and 1 hour zone that we marked out at 9 o'clock, New York time. So what do we need to do next? What we need to do next is to wait for price to come back down to that level, and then we should see some form of rejection. And I don't want to be, yeah, let's just wait for price to come back down to that level. And once it's come back down to this level right here, which is our 4 hour level, we should wait for whichever candle that comes into that level, we should wait to see how that candle closes. That is this next 4 hour candle, hopefully, is going to be the one that will blast into it. We have 2 hours remaining for this candle to finish for me. So this 4 hour candle is going to be the one that will come right into it. Or this candle will have a very small body, or it's going to come right into it, and then we should expect it to close above it. If it does not close above it, it means we have a completely different narrative and we should be looking the other way. Are you guys following me? So if you find this breakdown insightful and help with your trading journey, do well to like, comment, and subscribe just so you be notified for similar contents like this. Okay, until we meet next, I wish you good day and good trading.